Your new XUV700 is more intelligent than many of the drivers on the Indian roads. But don't take our word for it. Engage Smart Pilot Assist and allow the XUV700 to help protect your family better. To activate, go to the driver info menu by clicking this switch on the right-hand side of the steering wheel. Under the settings menu seen on the instrument cluster, select Driver Assistance and scroll further to select Smart Pilot Assist. Please remember that Smart Pilot Assist can be enabled in settings only when ACC is in active state. Please note that the Smart Pilot Assist will automatically go in standby mode if the vehicle speed, the road condition or the vehicle dynamic conditions are not satisfied, and in such a case, indicator light on the cluster will illuminate in yellow. When all vehicle-related activation conditions are satisfied, the system performs lane centering and the indicator light on the cluster will illuminate in green this time. When steering assist is used to center the car, the steering wheel sign on the instrument cluster turns green. While lane centering is on, if a slower moving vehicle is detected ahead, the system will reduce speed to follow the preceding vehicle as per the set time gap. Here are a few important points to remember while using Smart Pilot Assist. Do not remove your hand from the steering wheel even if the Smart Pilot is on. 2. Cars may emit audio-visual alerts even when hands are on the steering wheel. 3. The driver must be ready to intervene even if Smart Pilot Assist is on due to limitations of camera and radar sensors. 4. System will stop providing assistance once the last point of lane marking is reached. The driver will have to take immediate control. 5. The car may generate some brake sounds as Smart Pilot Assist controls brake and accelerator. 6. Centering maneuver leads to lateral movement. The driver should be alert to check for another vehicle and take corrective measures if necessary. 7. Driver intervention may be required at the end of the lane marking. Smart Pilot may not be sufficient to pull back in time. Driver is expected to be in position to take control whenever necessary. Smart Pilot Assist cannot activate lane centering from standby state if lanes are not available on both sides or if available only on one side. Smart Pilot Assist cancels and goes to standby when adaptive cruise control is cancelled or the maximum speed is exceeded, when gear selector position is other than drive, when an automatic emergency braking event is executed, when turn indicator or hazard lights is activated, when interface systems are not available, when driver steers manually, when vehicle dynamics or road conditions are not suitable for Smart Pilot Assist operation. This is indicated by the green spar indicator turning white on the instrument cluster.